Hello there, welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install the Triller TV app on Fire TV. So if your Fire TV is loaded up already, just go to the Find tab right here on the top menu and scroll down one step, you find the search button. If you click on the search button, you toggle the keyboard. So click on it to toggle the keyboard and you type in the application of choice. So in this tutorial, we'll be downloading and installing Triller TV. So Trill. So that's right there, Triller TV. Hop on to Triller TV, click on it, and you find this app you can launch. So launch the app, and you're able to find this download button. You click OK, you get the free download, and the download begins. Give it a couple of seconds. This download is going to take from a few seconds to a minute, depending on your internet speed. So if you have good internet speed, just a few seconds and you're done. And when you're done downloading it, the installation process will begin automatically, and you're going to find your app installing. So like right here, you see mine installing. Couple of seconds, relax, and you have this app installed and available straight in your app library. You could also access it by hitting that open app button right there, and you could launch your application. It is ready to launch. If you had value from this tutorial, subscribe to the channel. Let me know your experience in the comment section below, and I'm waiting to see you in the next video.